These are the Ellie's DIY shelf units. They are 1.5 meters tall, 760 wide by 380 deep. These units are strong and sturdy and can handle a maximum loading capacity of 50 kgs per shelf. That's equivalent to 2 full 25-litre water containers. The units come in a flat pack with the options of galvanized or white. When it comes to assembly, all you need is a large screwdriver and a spanner to hold the back nut. Fasten the screws with the large screwdriver and then drive the back nut tight with the spanner. You must use the gusset braces as this gives a structural rigidity to the shelving unit. These units are ideal for your garage, pantry, workshop or storeroom. You can add in additional shelves if needed and also make use of the existing peg holes for hooks. Please note that it is important that the unit is assembled squarely, situated on a level surface, and you can also secure it to a wall if needed. If you like this clip and you found it useful, like it, share it. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel.